Very good morning, grade 6. There is a slight changes in your timetable which is made just in the morning, and to that, this is a mathematics period which is, and I have given you some questions already, 12th, 13th, and 14th questions. I hope you are all writing all these answers. Uh, in the first question, see children, which of the following, that is 12th question, which of the following lengths of three line segments can be lengths of the sides of a triangle? Three sides are given, lengths of three sides are given, lengths of three sides of a triangle, lengths of three sides of a triangle here, length of three sides. In all the questions, length of three sides of a triangles are given, and the question is, if these are the lengths of the triangles which are given, with this length of a triangle, can we able to draw triangle or not? Question is, can we able to draw triangle or not? Children, you know one important property that you are already uh, written in your notebook. What it is? Sum of any two angles of a triangle is always greater than the third angle. Sum of any two angles of a triangle is always greater than the third angle. See children here, sum of two angles is 5 plus 4, 9. It should be greater than the third angle. But what happening here is 5 plus 4, 9, and the third angle is also 9. That is not greater, that is equal to. In the first question, what is happening is sum of two angles 5 plus 4 is 9 is not greater than the third angle, but it is equal to the third angle. So with this measurement we cannot draw the triangle. 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 9 centimeter, we cannot draw the triangle because sum of two angles is not greater than the third angle, but it is equal to the third angle. So it is not possible to draw triangle. Let us see second one. Sum of two angles. Okay, sum of two angles 8 plus 6. Sum of two angles is 14. Sum of two angles property says what? Should be greater than the third angle. But I am getting less than the third angle. No, 14 is less than 15. So sum of two angles, I am getting just now, sum of two angles is 14, which is less than 15. But property is opposite to that. Sum of two angles should be greater than third angle, but it is less than third angle. Therefore, second, with the length of the triangle which are given, no, it is with this lengths also we cannot draw triangle, right? Let us see third one. Sum of two angles 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, yes, is 10. Sum of two angle is greater than third angle or not? Yes children, it is greater than 5. Sum of two angles is what? 10, which is greater than 5. No, third angle is 5. Yes, property. Here property is correct. So whatever the property we learned, that is correlating here, that is satisfying. The property satisfies to this. So with this length we can draw 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter triangle. Definitely that becomes equilateral triangle. All lengths of the triangles are equal. So this is equilateral triangle we can draw, right? Let us see fourth one. Sum of two angles. Sum of two angles should be greater than third angle. 3.5 plus 0.5. 3.5 sum of two angles. Answer is 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 0.5, 0.51, 8. This should be greater than the third angle. Third angle is 6.5. Yes, 8 is greater than 6.5. Means fourth, the measurement which are given, the fourth, that is also lengths also we can draw triangle. We can draw triangle because you will get 8 when you add first two angles. Sum of two angles 8. 8 should be greater than the third angle. 8 is greater than 6.5. Correct. Let us see fifth one. Okay. 6 plus 8. Sum of two angles. 6 plus 8. Sum of two angles is 14. Sum of two angles should be greater than the third angle is 10. Yes. Sum of two angle is greater than the third angle. Therefore, fourth, the measurements which are given in the fourth also, we can draw triangle. Right? Let us see sixth one. Children, to sixth one, just there is a confusion in the question. If we take these two measurements, sum of two, we cannot draw the triangle by sum of two sides. 7 plus 3 becomes 10. 10 is greater than 3. So we can draw triangle actually. We can draw triangle actually, but to draw such type of triangle, what you should do is, you should take base as a 7 centimeter and 3 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here. This only with this we can draw that. Only with this method we can draw, and you will get isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle you will get. But when you change the method, if you change like 3 centimeter here base, 3 centimeter base, and 7 centimeter here and 3 centimeter here, if you want to, so this we cannot, it is not possible to draw the triangle. So that's why there is a confusion here. If we take 3 and 3 other sides and 7 as a base, we can draw. Right? We can draw. This we can draw like this. Understood? But another way, 3 and 7 if you take, and 3 centimeter if you take a base, it is not possible. Right? One way it is possible, that is like this. Understood? Okay. Let us start 13. Questions are the easy questions. Can a right angle triangle can be equilateral? Can a right angle triangle? It will not be equilateral. Right angle triangle will not be equilateral. In equilateral means all three sides should be equal. Whereas in right angle triangle, maximum you can have two sides equal. Third side will not be equal, right? Okay. Next question. Can an isosceles triangle? Yes. Isosceles triangle can be right angle. Draw right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, we can have two sides are equal. That can be possible, which can be drawn. But all three sides will not be same. Two sides can be same. Can a right triangle, means right angle triangle, be scalene? Right angle triangle, if you draw, we can draw all three sides are unequal. See, both are possible, children. Both are possible. Right angle triangle with two sides are equal. That also, like that also we can draw. Same right angle triangle, all three sides are not same, means scalene. All three sides are not equal. Even that is also we can draw such type of right angles, right? Fourth one, can be a right angle triangle obtuse? Absolutely not, because right angle triangle means the lines will be exactly straight. The vertical line and the horizontal lines are exactly straight. When the lines are exactly straight, no question of obtuse. Obtuse means line are straight but slanting. Lines are slanting in obtuse angles. Therefore, first and last are no, second and third yes. Okay. Now let us start the fill in the blanks. A right angle triangle, a triangle has 3 vertices, 3 sides, 3 angles. We have started the lesson of the triangle with this concept only, if you are remembered. Meaning of a triangle is given. Please turn back your pages. You will find the triangle heading below, exactly below the heading. When we started the lesson triangle, we started with a triangle has 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles. Sum of angles of a triangle is this 50 times we have discussed already. 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Next, each angle of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all 3 equilateral triangle, all all 3 sides are equal. That is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all 3 sides are equal. So equilateral triangle measurements, each angle will be 60 degree. Right, children? Okay. Next question. The sum of any 2 sides of a triangle is greater than, just now we discussed, is greater than the third angle. Sum of any, this is a property, children. This fourth fill in the blanks is exactly a property which already we learned. Sum of any 2 sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. A right angle cannot have, and just now the questions which are asked here, again they are asking here, that right angle triangle cannot have an obtuse angle. Cannot have an obtuse angle. Right? These are the solutions and the explanations which I will going to send now, children. Actually, my plan is to start 16B today, constructions of triangle, but suddenly the class is decided in the morning itself, so I am unable to take that construction now. So Saturday, let us start 16B, construction of triangles. So today's your work is just send these questions and answers. If I want, I will take the names also. Those children, they are sending only answers to me. If it is a true or false, fill in the blanks. What they will write? True, false, true, false. Fill in the blanks, only word answer. No, it is not, the method is not correct. So, what I want is, you should write full questions and their answers and send me.